We are each.js. We are here with our idea, vote chain. So basically it is an IoT device which is implementing blockchain concepts to eradicate all the issues which are there in our conventional voting system. So basically देखो अपना जो इंडियन इलेक्शन सिस्टम है उसके में क्या होता है, एक लंबी लाइन लगाओ, अपने आप को पुलिस वालों से वेरीफाई कराओ, BLO से स्लिप लो, उसको लेके अंदर जाओ और फिर आप EVM में वोट डालो। उसके भी 10 से 15 दिन बाद आपका रिजल्ट आएगा। उस रिजल्ट के बीच में जो अपोजिशन पार्टी रहती है, जो विनिंग पार्टी रहेगी, उसके ऊपर ब्लेम करेगी कि आपने EVM टैंपरिंग कर दी, EVM हैकिंग होगी। तो इसीलिए जो हमारा आइडिया है वो टोटली डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड है, ट्रांसपेरेंसी है। RFID इसके अंदर हम लोगों ने यूज किया है फॉर आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द वोटर, और साथ ही साथ रियल टाइम रिजल्ट भी इसके अंदर शो होंगे। तो हम लोग एक बार डेमो देख लेते हैं।
Am I audible? Yeah. So we will see. So this is our device, if you can see it. Here is the display and here is the RFID card scanner. So what we have done is, this is a conventional typical Indian voter ID card. We have attached a RFID card into it. We can say that government will provide us these type of cards in future. What we can say? He will do that. He will come and tap it here. So as you can see in the display, it will show cast your vote. Now for this hackathon, what we have done is, we have two candidates here. First one is the Octocat and the second one is the Go mascot. So what we will do is, I will vote the Octocat now. As you can see, the Octocat has been voted. Also we can see that in real time the votes have been updated. So Octocat has 40 votes and the Go has 41 votes. Now talking about security, what if someone tries to vote twice? So I will try to use it again, and in the display it will say you are not allowed. This is a security mechanism because each voter should vote only once. So I will use another identity to vote. As you can see, now I will cast my vote to Octocat. Vote has been sent. We can see it here. Okay, so now the votes are equal, but I want Octocat to win, so lastly I would use it again. And quickly let's do this. So Octocat won. So yeah, this was our project. We tried to make this using blockchain. So what will happen is, all the votes will be saved on blockchain with a random ID. No voter ID will be exposed to the blockchain because and due to this, the anonymity of user will be protected. Also, the votes are on blockchain. On blockchain, there will be number of votes to the parties. By this, we can count total number of votes and hence the result will be declared. Thank you.